Hello, hello, hello. This is Lee Roberts with Roberts Renovation and Repair in Atlanta, Georgia. What I have for you today is a temporary repair to a pressure control valve that I installed about 18 months ago for a client. I had their water pressure dialed in at about 70 psi, and I received a frantic call that they had no water pressure. Well, I arrived at the customer side and they actually had 35 psi, so it wasn't as if they had zero, but it certainly was low flow. As you'll see in the video, the pressure reduction valve that I installed had a metal wheel handle on the top to adjust the valve, in addition to the threaded, the little lock nuts that go on after you get it dialed in. And somehow the round wheel and the stem were completely broken off the pressure control valve. While the wife didn't know what happened, I suspect that the husband got under there in this crawl space and tried to turn the wheel, broke it off, threw it on the ground, told her to call me. So without further ado, here we go. I'm not a big fan of crawl spaces, but it was about 95 degrees outside and it was about 72 in the crawl space. So, and actually this one isn't so bad. I was glad to get out of the heat and get in there, but I got under there, got all my tools together, of course, drug them about 50 feet and got set up. Already turned the water off, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this old valve out. You'll see the valve and the stem just snapped right off. Anyway, I did check to see if I could get a replacement, but Home Depot didn't have any stock, and I wanted this particular one. So I'm just going to do a patch and come back in a couple of days when Home Depot gets my order in, and we'll make it permanent from there. So, yeah, I know that looks like a lot of water. Probably should have brought a bucket underneath there, but it's gonna be okay. So just getting the hardware ready. And I'm not sure what's taking so long. Hurry up, boy! What are you doing? Time is money. Well, apparently I was wasting it. Come on. Get your together. I'm just getting the rings so I can put them on the pegs. Then I'll get the little straight through adapters. So that's ring one. That is straight through connector number one. I usually give the rings just a little bit of a squeeze so that they don't shift around when I put the crimper on there. It's very helpful. Very frustrating when those things start sliding around. All right. So I'll get this one crimped into place. Muscle up, son. It's not that hard. Get the other side, do the same thing. And crap. There you go. All right. So now I'm just going to measure out a little piece of PEX here. Going to use well, there's my go, no-go tool. They were goes, obviously. Now I'll get that little piece of PEX measured out to the 64th of an inch with this super accurate system that I have. You'll see it in just a second. Here we go. Yep, thumb marks the spot. I'm just cutting it to length now. I'll throw a couple of rings on each end. Don't want to forget those. That's never happened to me before. Ha. All right. Now, same thing with these. Just get the pliers, secure them in place. All right, now let's wrap this puppy up. Need to go to the gym. Hey. 6-year-old could do this. All right. Go, no go, please. Check. Come on, Roberts, hurry up. There we go. Good boy. Okay, now let's fire it back up and make this lady happy. Okay, it's all good. I actually measured the pressure at a hose bib and it was 100 psi. The lady of the house was ecstatic. She said, I've never had pressure like this before. Of course, when I put the new pressure control valve in, I'll dial it back down to about 70, 75. She'll be happy with that. She was happy before. I'm just wrapping it up and I'll get out of here and move on to the next job. I'll give you an update when I get this installed. You guys take care and have a great day. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification. Every little bit helps. See y'all next time.